can all sort of like go off on our own and find a plant in this space that calls to us, and just like take 5 minutes to sit with it and just sort of like listen, observe, like both yourself and the plant, like what comes up for you as you're sitting, like what are you noticing about like its body and like the way that it grows. Just really whatever you're called to do or think about, just please don't pick it.
Why you have to think of like beautiful things as like fragile in some type of way, because it was like a very strong plant as well. Like it was clearly very like protective of itself, and it's like there's no fragility in that whatsoever. It's like you don't have to necessarily like see something that's beautiful and try to protect it, kind of like what someone else is saying just about like aging and like different types of like body types of plants and things like that, where you're like, oh my god, I don't want to hurt it, and it's just like you're not like actually like it might hurt you, it could be toxic, like, you know, like who fucking knows. So it was like beautiful to kind of sort of see that and like also have that like resonate within myself.
So much of what has helped me in like sitting and listening to plants is affirmations of like a whole self. Flowers are very queer and trans in so many different ways. The imposition of like colonialism and imperialism on our bodies is like also on the body of the land, and like so then there's this like opportunity for like the same way we might try to like build solidarity amongst like different human folks, like also seeing that with the land, and how can we then reframe our relationships with plants to allow for them to have just a full beinghood that's not grounded in like the hierarchy of humanity.